We are live.
We're live.
Hello, everybody.
Amazing. Hello. I'm going to send a tweet and a tweet.
Nice.
Then.
So, yes.
All right.
Today I have with me Lou Wilson, otherwise known as Toad Pond on the internet. And I actually didn't realize how many projects Lou is a part of. And so I thought this would be a great opportunity to introduce Lou or reintroduce Lou to the world. Lou is a programmer at TL Draw and responsible for these very viral make real demos. Lou is also the creator of Dreambeard, a meme joke programming language.
Dreambird.
Dreambird.
But lots of people say Dreambeard.
Yeah, that's weird.
Either's fine.
Yeah, anyways.
Either's fine. Yeah.
It's a meme programming language that I've seen all over the place. Not associated with Lou. It's only this morning that I realized that Lou is responsible for this wonderful creation. Lou is also a researcher in residence at Ink and Switch, which is awesome. And Lou is a co-host of this terrible podcast that I unfortunately started. I'm a huge fan of Lou being a part of the Future of Coding podcast. This is now the second show I've made that Lou is on, which is wonderful.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you. In fact, my first appearance on the Future of Coding podcast was me kind of like parodying you, like reading out your words. So I'm sorry. And but I'm very thankful for these opportunities. Maybe we'll get to 3 shows that I can be on one day. You never know.
I feel like your story of how you were up until recently a teacher, and then you just kind of took the future of coding scene by storm in London, and now you're all over Twitter. It's a fantastic story. So maybe if you want to tell us a bit more about your background, that'd be awesome.
Right. Yeah, sure. So I still feel like I'm very new to the coding world. I used to be a teacher. I worked with kids with additional needs, and I loved that job. And all of the time during that job, I was doing coding on the side for fun, right? Because it was like the opposite. Like at work, I was on my feet, using my social skills, or trying to use my social skills, and then like there's nothing better than coming home and just like sitting in front of a computer and typing stuff, right? So like my coding and my teaching really started at the same time, like they're connected. And then I did a switch. The coding got bigger and bigger and bigger. Like this YouTube channel where I post stupid videos got a bit more popular, and I started working with Max Bidker on some projects, some Sandspiel projects.
Sure.
Sandspiel, Mac. Yeah, me and Max bond over sand, right? So that's why we're friends. And then Steve, Steve Ruiz here in London, saw one of my tweets that went viral. So it really all started with tweets and stupid stuff. So he invited me to the office. I started coming to the TL Draw office a lot. I met this guy called Dan Abramov. I had no idea he was a huge deal in the coding world, right? Like I had no idea who he was and why everyone was so being so polite around him. Like I gave him a compliment, like, "Wow, you're so good at explaining React. That's really weird." Right? This was like my entry to the coding world. I was walking back to the train station at the end of the day, and he was telling me like about how mean people were to him on the internet. And I said, "You know what, Dan? I know exactly what you mean. I have a pretty big following myself." And he added me on Twitter, and I saw, so like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just turning up to places, making weird code, and it seems to be going okay, and I just keep doing it. And here I am today. How did this happen? Right? I don't know. But I'm thankful. Was that a good summary? I don't know if it was, but
That was
Here we are.
fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you.
So you have made a number of cool vals, including being responsible for doubling the number of val executions that ran
Yeah,
in
I'm
a given
so
day.
sorry. I am so sorry about that.
No, it's great. We didn't notice from an infrastructure perspective. I
Oh, that's
just
good.
happened to make a graph, and
That's
there
great.
was a spike, and someone on Twitter was like, what's that spike? And we did some sleuthing, and we found out that Toad Pond was the spike. Here, let
Right.
me put this on the screen so people can see the cause of the spike.
Yeah, it's just a counter, and if you click it, then the number goes up. But not just for you, for everyone, right? And it like updates every few seconds, and that's it. That's it, right? Like I don't know. People love numbers going up, right? This isn't even like this is not even real time sync. There is actually like a reason behind this. I actually made this for a reason, right?
Oh,
Like,
what's the reason?
yeah, I know. So like I've been experimenting with trying to build things really simply, like not like half simple, not like mostly simple, but like stupidly simple, right? Like trying to like push myself to go even simpler than I've ever gone before, and there are some like challenges with that, right? Like, well, how do you do multiplayer stuff? How do you do server side stuff? And this is where Val Town came in, right? Like it just made it. Oh, that was a bug, I think. Who knows? That's my bug, not Val Town's bug. I can just like write a tiny snippet of code and put it up on the internet on Val Town, and suddenly I have a server side, right? I can see there are people pushing buttons. I don't know if it's you, Steve, or someone else, but it is going up again. So I'm sorry. This is actually local first. Like it might not mean a lot for this, but like it remembers what number you're on, right? I mean, it's very sloppy, but every now and then someone like retweets it and it gets a whole bunch more activity. Yeah.
So maybe you could show us the code for this website and then show us the code for the val.
Right. Yeah, and actually, I'm just thinking, should I share my VS Code for this? Maybe, or should I? Can I
Or you
can I
just
find
view
it?
source. I feel like the way that I found out that this was even built on Val Town was by just right-clicking and view source and being
That's
like,
true.
haha.
That's true, because this is like this is just super simple. Like this is it's all one file. I mean, like the client side code is just one file. It's Quirks mode, if you know what that means, right? Like this HTML is not even wrapped in HTML tags, right? It's which is kind of a flex, right? Or at least I think it is. I don't know. So this isn't even in a head tag, if that makes sense, right? There's no body. Anyway, this is a complete mess. I have this button, and I have some code that I guess the important stuff is the pull remote count, right? Which is down here, which I'll go down to. Pull remote count. It runs get remote count, which is here, and it's just a simple fetch request to this val, right? So let me see if I can show you what val that is. Can I just like copy? What should I copy here to like open this val? Can I copy this at all? Or
the
should I find it
name
in
part
Val
is probably the best part to copy.
This part.
Yeah, and then go to your Val Town, and then Command K will get you to like a quick search. And then
Oh.
paste.
Oh, that's good. Right. Do you see how simple this is? Right. Just get JSON. Right. But wait, is this did you change? Oh yeah, this is actually an HTTP val still, right?
Yeah.
Because there was some point, I think a lot of my vowels are on this like deprecated thing, right?
Express thing. Okay.
Right. Or I can't exactly remember, but yeah, it's just gets lab count from JSON. That's it. So I guess we should also look at how we increment the count. When you click this button, bump, ba, 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 ba. Actually, yeah. See, look, add event listener. Like it, it feels kind of silly to go through this because it really is so simple, right? But like, I feel like it's worth saying how simple it is because I think when some people think they want to do like server stuff, that you think you have to get a whole stack or you have to like, I don't know, have some server running or some infrastructure or framework. And you can do that, and that's helpful. But if you're just doing something simple, you can just do something simple. So yeah, increment remote count is the function that's called, which is here. And this time, it just does a fetch request to this one, increment cloud lab count. The naming is not very consistent. Okay, now I know the command A. Oh, look, it's got an error here. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's see. It just
Just a type error.
Right. Who cares? Who cares, right? Just a type error. I don't care. I definitely don't care. Right. So it adds one to it. That's it. I think yeah, this is okay. So I think I did this when I was first experimenting with Val Town. I would do this differently now, I think. It doesn't really. I think this is if you get like So maybe I can ask you this, right?
Yeah.
I'm always worried that like this in the time from this await get JSON to this set JSON, maybe maybe someone else could have incremented it, right?
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
So then it will like lose some numbers,
Yes.
right? And I think this is what happens. So like the real count is probably way higher.
Correct.
And right, so like what I do for because I have some more serious stuff with Val Town. I have this is my Patreon dashboard, right? If you are a patron of mine, you can log in here, and you can like vote on what video you want me to make. You can see I'm just like exposing which ones I want to make, and you can like pick how you want to be displayed in the credits. That's it. So now you know which one's me. I am my own patron. It's pretty embarrassing, but and you can, and then they get like automatically placed onto this big canvas. Like these are all the patrons, right?
Whoa.
So this one here, Mr. President of Milk, that's Ivan Reese.
That's appropriate.
Yeah, I don't know why. So with this, when you like again when you update the JSON, there is a chance that someone else has like updated at almost the exact same time, and because I'm just using blobs, like I'm not using like SQL or anything, there is a chance that it could like override stuff because I'm doing it in such a bad way. So like there's just a little bit of checking that the right thing is happening for this one. That's all. But for the counter, who cares, right? Who cares? You know, just click again if it doesn't work. That's it. That's it. There is like a tiny bit of code to make sure that it actually goes up, not down. So like the bugs are not exposed so much, right? Like in the code, it has this idea of the remote count, what's on the server, and what it thinks should be on this, what it thinks was on the server, right? But that's kind of more like hiding my bugs rather than fixing my bugs. So
interesting. Okay, cool.
Now you know my secrets.
I'm curious. The blob storage and race conditions thing is tricky, and I really tried to negotiate my way out of that because I didn't want to like force people to use SQLite or just SQL at all. I wanted something like blob storage to be, because it's, you know, it's so usable. I wanted something like it to be safe, like thread safe or concurrency safe.
Yeah.
And it's impossible, or yeah, it's just really complicated. And so
I imagine.
So yeah. The answer is, if you care about race conditions, use SQLite. And here I could show you, or actually I could just direct you to go to my website, like stevekrause.com.
I was going to say Val Town. All right, no, stevekrause.com. Wait, did I spell Krause right? Yes.
You did.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, that is impressive. So yeah, on the third line, there's like this view counter thing. And
this. Yeah.
Yeah. And so just refresh the page a couple times to like see it go up.
Right. I saw one of your other live streams, right? I think it was with Jordan, and he did not believe you that you had this many views. Right?
That is true.
I thought that was really harsh. I think you have this many views. All right. I want to say, how many views do I? This is what I use for views, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. How do I see? Not this is a competition. All right. Last day. Right. 121.
All right. It's plausible.
Oh, no, but that's probably just because I've been refreshing this right now. Why is this one? What? Google? Anyway, I don't know. Wait, I know why. That was you. That was you just now, right?
That was me this morning. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. I think that's a plausible number. Sorry, I'm getting so distracted.
Right. No. So go to the built-in Val Town link to, and then you could see the SQL code. It's right. Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, right. All right. So I am terrified of SQL.
Yeah.
I write it as little as possible.
So really just those, well, first of all, I should say that all of the SQL is written by ChatGPT. I don't know about all the syntax to do SQLite, and now I'll never have to know the syntax. You know, I'm a Postgres guy. This is SQLite. Who cares?
Right.
ChatGPT's got it for me. That's my pitch to Python people. They're like, there's no Python in Val Town. I'm like, well, good news for you is that you don't have to learn JavaScript syntax anymore.
Right. But no one has to learn anything anymore.
But I mean, like, you could build a hit counter that's like basically this, where you store all the timestamps, and then like that's kind of neat information that you're getting. You can graph it and do other cool stuff. Or you could just store, the number 1 and then sum across all the numbers. Or, you could, I guess actually, I don't know if there's a good way in a transaction to do the read and update. No. Yeah, I think in SQLite you could have like one row of one table that's like set this column equal to whatever the column was plus 1. Yeah, you could do a subquery. Yeah,
I guess
I'm pretty sure that should be possible.
So one of my ideas for today was to actually like fix my counter, right? Counter 2.
Okay.
Counter 2.0, right? This one here. Boom.
Nice.
And I call it extreme, which basically just means SQL, right?
Okay.
And also because I imagine it'll probably be quicker because it has to do like less fiddling around with the blobs, right? Fiddling.
Oh yeah.
But the other thing I was wondering, so you would do it as like one row, one column, but you could do it like, I guess, as like lots of different entries. Like each click is like another entry.
Row.
Right.
Another row. Yeah.
Row. Right. I know SQL. So like it could just be, so what is it? It was just like one column, one row, and then like this number here like gets updated. That's what you're saying, right? Oh, yeah. But you could also do like
the most space efficient way to do it. And like the fastest.
Right. And it is your server after all. So
no. We want to push things. We're a real platform. You could do real.
Right, because
deploy real code.
We're a real platform. Oh, yeah, I know. All right, so you could do this, right? Is that a bad idea? Like, this is almost like CRDT territory, right? Like where you have like the entire,
Exactly.
and you can have like
Yeah,
timestamp.
and that's a good a moment for me to call out Johannes Schickling in the chat, our local first friend,
Right. Oh,
CRDT friend.
uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Um,
Wait, I need the chat. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Cool.
yeah, we can click on things and it'll show up on the screen. Yeah, this is a great way. Well, so I was trying to say this is how my website works. Like the counter
Right.
on my website, the way it works
Wait, which one?
is
Which one? The single row or the lots of rows?
the lots of rows way.
Right, right.
Um, and it needs to work this way. And instead of storing like a +1, I store the timestamp
Right.
at the
Yeah,
time
I
of
guess
the
it could
view.
be anything.
And
Right.
the reason
Yeah.
and the reason I do that is like so you can get like this many clicks today and this many clicks this month.
Yeah, makes sense.
You know, one day I plan to make a fun Spark line because
Uh-huh.
you know
Uh-huh.
how else
Yeah.
will people know that I'm a Tools for Thought nerd if I don't reference Tufty?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, damn right. All right. So that was one of my ideas. Oh, and look, you
Hold
just
on.
mentioned the other one, graph, right?
Well,
That was
we have one question that I wanted to answer. Let's see.
Oh, sure,
Yes.
sure.
Does the SQL include the IO hit? So when you just periodically persist a SQL and otherwise handle them? Great question. So right now, Val Town doesn't have like a mechanism for like the way a Val execution works. It's like a Lambda. It's like it's serverless. So each new invocation, each new HTTP endpoint is like a brand new thing, and you can't save anything in memory. So you have to use blob storage or SQLite storage. SQLite storage, we're using Terso, which is very fast. I think behind the scenes they're like holding a lot of stuff in memory and then persisting to disk when things need to sleep. So yeah, Terso. I think right now for Val Town, Terso is like 70 milliseconds, but over time we want it to be closer to 20 milliseconds. So
nice. Yeah.
Good question.
Cool. There's one way to find out how fast it is to make it.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Oh, and we could time. Yeah, we could put like timers on the other side.
Race.
Subtraction.
Right. So like another idea I had, which is maybe not good to do today, is like have a graph, right? Like of you know, on the website there's like the button, it's like count, and then like here, whoop, wait, yeah, like this, boop, and then there's like a line goes up and up. But you know what?
Up and
like
to the
that's
right.
Up and to the right. Yeah, and then so future work could be like a battle where there's two buttons, right? Do you know what I mean?
Oh, like a tip jar at a coffee shop where like it could be like it could be about like tabs versus spaces or something. Like we could pick two competing things, two clubs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that works too.
And then this, so I mean, like, you could put anything there, like tab, space. Right, yeah, like this, and then you can have like, so then the graph would, the graph would be more like this. Yeah, and then like and then like this, whoa,
Nice.
However, I think maybe like that would be like step 3, right? I mean, like
yes.
a lo-fi version of
wanna...
this could just be like the two buttons and at least like current winner.
Yeah.
By 40/100 because that's the obvious answer. Right?
I just want to say a quick shout out to Max.
Actually, genuinely, are you a tabs man or a spaces man? Because this. Oh no, Stevie.
I am spaces guy, but I think not for any ideological reason. Just I agree with you that tab seems like the better abstraction, but for some reason I've always preferred spaces. But I concede that it seems like a dumb idea. Spaces seem like a dumb idea.
You know what? Like, I actually use spaces for all my projects now, just because it's like the default, right? It's the default.
Like,
Like,
we've
I'm not
won. The
happy about
spaces
it though.
people have won.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, they've won. Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah. Anyways, I wanted to say a shout out to Max, who you made a shout out to earlier in the episode, who was watching from the laundromat. Max, we got to get you on the live stream calendar. That would be super
yeah. Nice. At the laundromat. Magic.
I
had this one other
like,
idea. Maybe I should just let's say it quickly. And I don't know if you have ideas too. I don't know how. Oh boy, we got to speed up, right? We got to go. Right. So I do so much AI stuff, but I thought it might be nice to just do like a non-AI AI for once, right? Because like in Dreambird, there's this like made up feature, right? That yeah, AI. Oh wait, that's a bad thing. Oh my god. Automat. Here it is. Right. So if you write an unfinished program, then it's supposed to email me your unfinished program, and then I will basically I will be the autocomplete, right? It's just like the world's slowest autocomplete. And obviously like this is made up. This isn't real. But some people do actually find my email address. I actually put it here because I realize people want to do this. And they email me like half-written Dreambird things, and I do reply. So like I take it. I'm always wondering, like, do I do a jokey thing? And I take it actually very seriously. So I was wondering about like a Chat GPT, but it's like Chat GPT Lou edition, where you know, like you type in a question, you hit send, right? and it just emails me, and then I should be able to reply to the email,
right? And then it shows up in here. Yeah.
And then it somehow shows up in here. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a very fun project. Very doable in Val Town for sure.
Right. You know, I realized a sneaky thing with Val Town email. I don't know if you're aware of this.
All right.
I have this val called com. Wait, Toad Pond. Right. Do you know why I have an empty val called com?
No.
Because when I send an email using the Val Town like API, you can specify which val the email is from, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
So if I send it from my my val called com, it looks like it comes from toadpond.com. Huh? You see what I mean?
That's pretty good.
Right?
Well,
it feels
maybe
a little bit dodgy.
Oh no. This is what the reason we let you send emails from someone is so that if you turn if you click on the script button and change the type of it to email, then people can email this val, and then we can do things when we can respond. You know, this code will get triggered.
Right. I'm worried about changing this val because this I use every right. Wait, but it doesn't matter, right? Because it's not doing anything.
Yeah.
So they could they could reply. So if they reply to that email,
now this will get triggered. Yeah. So for starters, why don't we just build a little forwarder? So if you do like Command K and just type the word forwarder, you'll see my forwarder, and then you can like copy and paste it. Or actually, yeah, a bunch of people have forwarders.
There it is. All right. Yeah. Popular. Unlimited anonymous emails. Nice. So, that's so simple. And I'm going to fork it.
Well, you could fork it, but then it's under the name forwarder. So you might want to just copy and paste it.
Oh, I see.
Or you could delete the other one. Yeah, rename the other one and rename this one. Yeah, after you rename the other one.
Wait, Oh, you mean into
It can be,
yeah, right. I gotcha. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna delete. All right, and then I go to toadpond/com. Right, I could turn this into my forwarder.
yes, and then save it, and then so now you have the email address is in copy email. It's like toadpond. Yeah.
Right. So this is the email. Right. What's this little? This worries me. Oh, huh? Ah, what was
I
that?
don't know.
Do you know what?
Yeah,
That
but
was maybe when I was logging in with the wrong thing. I don't know. All right. Okay. Toadpond.com@valtown.email. So if I email that now.
or I guess anyone watching can email that, and then whatever email you send will show up in your log. So you will kind of dox yourself if you email this now, and while we're on a live stream.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna open that in another window. Right. So okay, I've got it over here, and then I'm gonna go Val Town in another window. Alright, it's toadpond/com. All right. Okay. Cool. So wait. So when you email this email, what happens?
So the function in that val will now get triggered, which will forward you whatever email they sent you to the email address that you signed up to Val Town with.
Oh, right. Nice. Okay, and I will also open my email inbox in a different in a different window. Cool. So
Share inbox. Haha.
yeah. It's very boring actually. So I'm gonna copy this email, and I'm gonna just test it because I want to see test, and I'll show you a screenshot when it comes. Sends.
Or Gmail has a way to like open an email in its own window, or like get a
Right.
URL, whatever. But you could also just take a screenshot and throw that in here.
Okay. But okay, did you have any ideas too, by the way?
Oh, well, we have too many excellent ideas.
All right. Okay.
Time to go over any of my worst ideas.
All right. Okay. Sorry, man. It's here. Look, and didn't dox that one, but it's fine. That's already out there on the internet. We're doing great. What do you think then?
It's not technically a coding live stream if you don't share some data that you don't want to have shared.
Right. Yeah. It's fine. We're doing great.
Yeah. We're doing great.
The world is kind. The Toadpond fans are very kind, known to be very kind. So what do you think we should do? What's your thoughts?
All these are really fun. I feel like we should prioritize, like we should do the fastest or like the easiest thing first, and so then we have time for more things. So I think maybe like button 2 would be like the fastest thing to do. So like a button that like makes sure to count all the clicks.
Yeah.
Or there is we could just live update button, like the original button, to just be better, and we could just seed its initial value to
Yeah, we could just patch it in, right? And we set its an initial one, right? That's a good idea. What I might do then is see if I can share my whole screen and then get up VS Code and work on that.
Oh, well, we won't have to change the front end. You can leave the interface of the front end the same. Yeah.
Of course. All right. Thank goodness you're here.
And for the for like, just for why not, we can leave the old counter in place, so we can continue updating the blob and continue serving the blob while we like fiddle with the SQLite one in the background. And once we're like happy with the SQLite one, we could just swap it out.
Sure. Let's do it.
Cool.
Do you know what? Like, we can break it. We can break it. People will understand.
Yeah,
okay,
like
so
yeah, whatever. We might have little breakage, but so yeah,
all right, I am
let's
gonna get this
go.
up. So here it is. This is the current counter.
Great.
Beautiful UI.
Why? So yeah, let's go to the thing that updates the counter.
Yes. Now,
Oh
so
yeah, and
that.
this is actually really useful. I would grab from my
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get the things open. You
cool.
hold that thought. Increment cloud lab count. Right. So I'll leave this open as well. Right.
Nice.
Right. We're getting the tabs up. Here's the
Nice.
increment.
Yeah, I think
I'll
that's
close
enough for
Dreambird.
now.
That's distracting. Okay. Cool. Cool. And we have
All
your
right.
one here as well. Your personal website. Were you saying this might be helpful?
Yeah. I guess just leave it up as a reference. I think potentially. AI. Let's turn on the AI editor. I have a feeling yours might not be on.
Yeah.
So
Wait.
if you
Let's
go
see.
to settings
Settings.
and then editor
Editor.
settings. Oh, it's on.
Oh, I got
All
it on.
right, great.
I got it on. We're all good.
We're good to go.
You can change the
All
key bindings. Nice. All right, that's good. I got to play around with this more. It keeps changing. It keeps like looking better each time I come back.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
So let's in like a comment somewhere in this file, maybe on line 2, let's prompt the thing to like make a SQLite table of the right shape. Do you want to do the timestamps?
You know what? I think timestamps might be good because then we can always like then it would set me up for doing the graph thing later on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? Make a SQLite table to store the count increments with timestamps. So this is what they call prompt engineering in the field. Boom. Blob X.
All right. All right.
Right. So it's trying to like right. So what is the actual thing I need here? Maybe I could look at yours
There
to
you
figure
go.
this out.
No, it figured it out
Whoa.
for you. Yeah, that works too.
All right. Come on. Yes. Wait. So does this know about what's available in Val Town, or is it just guessing?
Yeah. You of all people would be curious about the prompt.
Right.
Let's see here. So if you open up a val called Val Writer, this is a val that I'm working on to like write vals, and
Val,
I have some.
Oh, I saw it. Yeah. This one.
So not this part. If you scroll down, like part of the prompt we give Codium. Codium is our AI completion thing, and this is like
You are
pretty close to the prompt we give that.
Write only Dino TypeScript. Capital letters. Oh, and these are okay. Cool. Nice. Interesting. Oh, it's always so fun to see different people's like instincts with this. I mean, I know it's not just instinct, but like it is a little like people's personality ends up in these things, you know? Anyway, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's got SQLite. So do you know what I reckon? I reckon if I like do this, this is boom. Right?
Yeah. Maybe delete line 6 and line 11. We don't
Wait, 6. What do you mean like this?
Yeah, we don't want.
Yeah.
We're kind of gonna run this one time basically, or you could do
Right.
like oh wow, it's just running wild.
Wait, if you click it, it accepts it. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, so we don't. It's not really doing a good job of the timestamp thing. So you could just copy the query from my website.
Yeah. The like creation one. This one.
Yeah. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one you want.
Like all of this. Right. I might change some of these.
You kind of just want the first two, but yeah, that's fine. You can copy it all.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
I'm gonna splice this up. Wait, what did I copy? Yes.
Nice.
Bum bum
Yeah,
bum 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 bum. And this.
Yeah, I guess you kind of if you are replying with the new count, then actually you do want something like what it used to be.
Yeah.
You just want to get rid of the where, I guess.
Yeah. Boom. So this I'm going to change to counter 2, baby. All right.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Wait, does this? Do you know it's so rare to see like a code editor on the internet that works well, you know? Anyway.
And you still haven't. No,
no, like that's this stuff, like, you know, you take it for granted. The fact that you have like auto completions, right? As well. Anyway. Okay.
So I think now we do actually want to put this like SQL statement into the handler that you have.
Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Bum. Oh, and I okay. This is something I realized. Like, I instinctively like always hit Command S, right? And do you know what like brings me anxiety? Is that this version number goes up.
Version number keeps
right?
going up. I know.
Right. Like it's even if I did nothing, is that right? Yeah, because it's like a new running of it. But that's pretty.
Yeah. We're gonna improve that over time. I agree. A lot of people feel that way. Not really? To say that you're not unique.
Sorry. I'm not. I don't want to drag. Don't want to drag Val Town, you know. But it's more just like an interesting observation, right? Because it doesn't actually matter, right? Who cares what the version number is?
Versions are free. Yeah.
Like I almost feel like you could just hide it. Right?
Yes.
And just or something like that. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to
so it's already increasing. So now we just want to get out the like the beginning of line 7, like const result equals, and then we can kind of inspect the value.
Wait. Line 7?
The beginning of the line.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. This is where my keybinds compete. Like this. Can I just do like a console log here?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right?
That's perfect. And then Command Enter would, Command S is probably the same in this context. And then check out the logs.
Well, I guess it's nothing, right?
Well,
the logs. The logs, not the browser preview. Yes.
Yeah, the browser preview, we're like leaving the blob storage the same, which is important because some people really depend on 99% uptime of this counter, as you can see in this comment. So it's a good thing we have that going for us.
Yes. I'm sorry. All right.
But yeah, click on the most recent log line. That should probably be the one we want.
Okay, which is the most recent? Top one, times.
And then scroll down. All right, cool. So this is the. All right, so it's down at the bottom. The last query is the one we want, and the value is 4. There are 4 rows.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
So we got to parse.
This is like okay. This is like number. Here it is. So like the bit we need is results, right? Oh yes.
Oh, it's already got it for you.
Wait, count, isn't it? Wait, it's not .count.
It's not .count. It's just it's like
rows. Is it actually
0?
Like 0? Wait, no.
Yeah, I think it might be something like that.
Console.log bit we need. You're now seeing how horrific my code, right? This is how I make so much stuff. It's just
this is how normal people code. You know, you're not. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, phew. Wait, did I? Oh, I didn't actually run it, did I? Here it is. Did I run it? Okay, but the square brackets is still in an array, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah,
you
yeah.
got the first row. Now you have to get out the first column of the first row. So that's why you need to do it again, I think.
Okay, and I hit Command S, so there's an. Wait, does Command S actually run it?
No, that's Command Enter. Yeah. Command
Okay,
S is save. Command Enter is save and run.
cool, nice.
All right.
Wait,
For
are there
now,
a lot of people clicking this?
yeah, it
Holy
seems like.
nice.
So,
Okay, okay.
so,
Um,
uh, so,
that's good. So
so
that's
now,
the new count.
yeah, plus the old count, I guess. So
Oh,
maybe, and I
and
guess you could like get it this one time and put it in there as a hard coded thing,
you
or
know
you
what?
could
Yeah.
stop increasing it and then get it and do the addition.
Right. What would my mother say? She'd just say, just do it, right? I'm just gonna log.
Or
All
you could
right,
just
wait,
go to your
we're
website and
gonna
see what it is right now.
Oh,
Seven.
right.
Yeah. All right.
172204. 17. Wait. If I refresh. Oh no. Okay, everyone stop clicking.
Well,
Everyone.
all of these clicks we're counting in both right now, which is like, so what you actually
Oh
want is the
no.
subtraction of these two things one time.
Okay, this is fun. Oh my god, oh my god, look at these logs. Look at that's fun. All right. So the old count, I'm gonna log the old count, right?
All right.
Yeah. To see old count. This is good. This is good. All right. Logs. Bum bum. Do you know old count?
So
7
what
2.
I would say, yeah, that minus 211 is should be the starting value, because
Right.
we've done a bunch of
Right.
double counting.
Yes. Yes. So like the starting value equals not 0, old count
Well,
minus.
yeah, I would just
Mhm.
copy and paste it from the, like, those two very specific values in your last logs. I just copy those two numbers.
Wait, these,
So that number,
but has it
yeah,
changed
exactly.
since then though?
Well, so any new
Oh,
changes
right,
are
right.
in the new count.
Yes, that's right. You're so right. All right. Yeah. Thank goodness you're here. This is why you are a founder and I'm not. All right. Okay. That is the starting value. Get rid
So
of that.
now you can
Get rid of
you
that.
can get rid of the get JSON,
Yes. Boom.
um, and then this,
Uh,
and you can.
yeah, and that.
So for now, leave the set JSON.
But wait, the
Yeah,
new count is based off the get JSON, right?
so I would do new count equals bit we need plus old count plus starting value.
Sorry, bit we need. Plus starting value, right?
And then
Yeah.
and now if you save and run, now we're like, I think we're in a world where SQLite is storing your new count. We've got the starting value, and we haven't yet broken your other one
Right.
still uses blob storage. So
Look at that.
we can
Look
tell
at
the other one to stop using blob storage and go directly to SQLite, and then we can remove blob storage from the other one, and then a no downtime migration, no downtime upgrade
This
to
is
SQLite.
like the most scrappy, slippy, no downtime migration that the world has ever seen, right? Get Cloud Lab, put that on my CV. You know what? Actually, to be fair, like actually most of the good ideas were from you. So, oh yeah, you know your website? Where is it gone, Steve? Is this your personal website? All right.
Yeah.
Projects. Right here at the top. Counter 2. All right. I think it's you can take credit for this one. Okay. So the get cloud lab count. I'm gonna say like to do okay, this is more advanced prompting to do convert to SQLite, right? Do you ever do this? Oh. No, okay. I'll do the boom. Boom. Oh, 1 plus 10?
Well, it doesn't know that you have like this table set up, and
Right,
I would just copy the
from here. Right. This is
from
what.
here.
Okay, watch this.
You
watch
just want
this.
the select. Oh, nice. Oh yeah,
Oh,
convert
yeah.
this into a getter. You could do that.
5 days. Boom. I need to get it now. Right? This is. Oh, come on. This is just the code.
Yeah, here I can help you. It'll be very quick.
Oh, that's useless. All right, I was just trying to go for the prompt.
Yeah.
All right. Right. So we just need this, don't we?
Yeah. And I guess
yeah.
the second line, well, something like the second line, but that's fine. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna copy it all, and I'm just gonna cut. Boom, and then boom, like that.
Yeah, and because it's not a batch. Yeah, now it's not a batch. You can change the word batch to execute and get rid of the array.
Yeah.
And then
boom. And
then
then
now it should be able to finish the rest. It should be able to write the rest now.
Yeah, you're right.
I would delete line 11. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Hey.
And then yeah, you're good to go. Save and preview.
Yes. Do you know what what I'm really enjoying, Steve, is like your mild panic every time. Every time I just run through and do something like this. Wait a second.
That is very low. We forgot to add back in the initial value.
So the number right now. Oh no! Right. So that's okay. Quick! We have downtime. I'm panicking. All right, here it is. Starting value is. Do you know what? I love how I could just work out what that value is, but right. But you know what? How did it know that? How does it know that? Is it because it's in my clipboard?
No, it's not. That would be really sneaky. No, it's because Codium. They say they're not doing stateful things, but they clearly are doing stateful things.
Right. I mean, that's great, but
yeah,
it's sometimes surprising. Okay, so now I'm saving. Right. Okay, and
you just have to add it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. SQLite. Yes!
All right, we're back up.
All right, we're back up. All right. So now let's just check it. All right, and we spam it. Spam. So
yeah, now we don't miss clicks.
Right. So it does actually queue them up, by the way. So like this is an anti-abuse measure, which I think actually makes it even worse. But anyway, that's a lot quicker now. That is actually a lot quicker. Okay, good. Okay, so now we can remove this set JSON.
Oh man, I have a silly thing that I should probably put on the screen. I have an observable notebook that tracks like usage of Val Town, and
oh no,
I should see if we're already affecting it.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna comment out this, right?
Oh,
Yeah, the set JSON. We
sorry.
don't need that anymore,
Let me see one
right?
sec. The set JSON. Yeah. Now we don't need it.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, and that's it. And just seeing it's still working. Okay, do you know what's fun? It's just like instant preview whether if it's still working or not, right? There's no like.
Mm.
Okay, can you show me? Can you show me what you can see then, or is it like secret data?
No. Here, I'll show it right now. We haven't yet affected. It seems like it hasn't yet shown up in the graph. So
We need.
I think one of these spikes, either this one or this one, was you the first time, and then the second spike is static chess, which people may remember.
Nice.
It was a Val that went on Hacker News that you could play chess by just clicking on links. And so each link would be another invocation of a Val. So that one was a huge spike. And
I love it.
We don't yet see all you guys clicking links showing up in these.
Is it like
logs.
is it live? Is it really live? Or is it like
this is really live?
Okay, yeah. So we just need to like click loads.
Yeah.
I'm
it's a oh wait, hold on. Yeah. This is the first day I started collecting logs. Yeah. It's just like a live query. So it's a very slow query, so that's why it took me so long to pull it up. But
oh, I see. Cool.
All right.
So I wanna see if we can get this to wait. What's it on currently? It's on 173,000, right? I want this to go to 200,000. That's like I know last time there was this guy Brian Jordan. He like. Or was it a Ryan Reed? It was maybe both of them set up like an auto clicker, right?
Yeah. This is not necessarily something we want to encourage, but I guess.
Oh yeah,
just
no,
once,
please don't.
it's fine. No, it's fine. We don't exactly want to be DDoS.
I want to pay more for Val Town. You know, like I whatever it takes. I'll get three accounts if it lets me do this stupid stuff. I mean. I'm pleased you let me do the silly stuff today, rather than like some of the more like because I do use this for the Patreon as well, which is like a genuine time saver and lifesaver. But this has just been so stupid fun. I had no idea it would be like it would get so much traction.
I guess we probably should end now because we have 1 minute of the time we said we would do. But if you wanted to continue for another 5 or 10 minutes, we could try and make a little graph of these clicks. That could be like a fun little. That would be like a fun little way to end.
Oh yeah.
I have this Val that does like that where I manually make an SVG, but I don't know if you need that. If you need help, you probably know how to make SVGs on your own because you work at TL Draw.
I mean, right. I mean, but we're going for time here, so
that's true.
So that sounds great.
Oh, well, here I'll send you the link. Actually, I'll put the link to the Val in the chat so everyone can see it. And I can share my screen briefly. So the Val I'm talking about is called Big Weather, and it's this display I have always on in my house that lets you see the weather from far away. So this is the current temperature, the high, the low, the chance of rain, and then the graph of the weather. And the part that I am excited about us doing right now is this you just make an SVG and then you do this polyline thing. And you give it all your points, like all the XY coordinates, and then I think you might have to invert the Y, and then it basically works.
Okay. Let's see, polyline. All right. Oh wait, control. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong button. Wait, it's open in my secret window. Hold on. Wait, where did I put it? I need to click on the link again. Oh, I have too many windows up. Here it is. Over here. Big weather. Nice. Big weather.
So yeah, so why don't you just hit fork, and then we'll just like massacre big weather. We'll just like get rid of the weather stuff, and we'll throw in your SQL query.
Cool. All right. Here it is. I forked it. So oh, here it is, the browser preview. Can I open this in another tab? Yeah. Boom. So is that like your weather?
That's the weather where I am right now. Yes.
Nice. Okay. So instead of, so this is you're getting the hourly weather. Here's your weather chart. All right, and so
Yes.
so this is like the get request, kind of, and this is the drawing the thing, right? And and this is the like rendering the thing. So yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So I probably don't need to change that too much, apart from maybe you said the like y direction. Okay, but what I definitely need to change is I don't want your weather. I'm sorry. I want my stuff. So like, let me just go like bada boom, and now I need it's not importing SQLite. I know. Okay, that's not right.
That's not quite right. It's just
I want this one. All right.
Nice.
So, oh, I just need. So I need a slightly different request this time, but I'm going to look at what I currently have here. So, but I don't want this.
Yeah, you basically want just get rid of the count. You just want like all of the timestamps. I think over time, even now, maybe this is too much data, but we could just go for it. Over time, you'll want to like get the count per number of hours or number of minutes.
Right. Yeah.
But for now,
let's see how
it's a small enough format.
So if I do like save and preview, can I see this log as well?
Let's find out. I think
it
introduced the bug because you didn't like give it the data it wanted, but it still might log out what you want. Yeah, there it is.
Okay,
those are all the timestamps, which is
so it's all in just
ridiculous amount of data.
Right. Nice.
Oh yeah. I think even now we probably want to do the aggregation basically because we want X and Y. We want like the X to be like grouped by minutely chunks, and then the Y to be counts per minute.
Yes, right. I see. So so the rows first. I want the rows. I could probably just do this. Boom. And we're gonna.
Well, I was suggesting that we change the SQL query to do the like grouping for us.
Oh, right.
So maybe in like another like group like count per minute, something like that.
Right. Get count per minute.
And then do like select. Yeah, okay. Ooh, maybe tell it what table. Oh, all right, cool. Yeah, that looks like it could be right.
Wait, but I'm not specifying
the table. That'll come next.
Right. Oh,
yeah. That's basically it.
But instead of from weather.
Yes.
It needs to be from whatever. Wait, counter 2, baby. Counter 2, baby. All right, what's going on here? Periods. What's going on? Results set. Do you think it's freaking out because this is like a weird indenting going on?
I would say it's freaking out because of all the weather stuff. So like this big comment, just delete it.
Yeah. By weather.
And the name of the function is also confusing.
Oh yeah. All right. Get hourly weather today.
I would leave it because it's connected that way. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, like, this is my strategy.
You might be able to parse the stuff out into periods. So it might be able to the existing function return data of a certain type. And so the codium might be smart enough to munge the data that we're getting now into the correct type.
Right. Whoa, what's this? Ah, no such column time. Wait a second. Yeah, group by time.
So let's see. The column is called timestamp.
Timestamp.
Yeah.
And here's the weather. Bump. Bump.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the one that you need to change. Yeah. But you could change all of them, I guess that's fine.
Yeah.
Or maybe not. Yeah, whatever. You could try that. I would call that second one that like minute or something.
Wait. This one.
That one and like the two ones after it, minute. So like yeah.
These ones.
Yeah, that looks good.
What? Okay.
Yeah, give that a shot.
All right. And
so instead of row dot minute, do row like yes, you got it, 0.
Like 0. Yeah.
Yeah, and then for
Yeah. Whoop.
And then for count, it's the first. It's 1. Not get rid of the dot. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And then try returning periods. That might work.
Yeah, let's do it. Return periods. And then oh yeah, come on, enter.
Oh, an array of periods. Yeah. I think I just do like period.
Yeah.
Do an array where it's like periods, comma periods. Because it's my thing happens to be expecting like 2 periods of data, so you could just give it what it expects.
Let's see. What is periods? It's oh wait. This I see. It's missing the following properties. All right, it needs more properties because that's what you need for your weather, right? And it needs to be returning this like specific period type.
Yeah. Well, we can start. Yeah, we can get rid of the fact that it's weather. If you scroll down into like line 37, basically, delete line 37. Like delete like most of the stuff. Nah, I guess we will need. Yeah, I guess we will need to figure out all those things.
We don't need temperature.
Ooh, temperature. We could just call it temperature back where. Yeah. Call count temperature.
Yeah. Okay. So these ones are okay. But what else is it asking for? It's asking for name, start time, end time. Okay. We don't. So this period type, right? It's all these extra things, right?
I don't know if we need all of those things.
Yeah.
Though.
Like bum. So I'm just doing this to make notes for myself, basically, right?
Yeah. For code,
bump. Okay. Wow, you have a lot. Right. Okay. So you don't use all of these in your actual weather thing, right?
Yeah, that might just be like the API that I was getting it from.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. So what's going on here? It's still. Did I like type temperature wrong? No. Property temperature is missing in type.
I think get rid of the just return periods. Don't return an array of 2 periods. I think
let's try that. Yeah, maybe. Right.
Cool.
Now it's saying yes.
I think it might be a little bit closer. I think we still
we're getting closer.
Might need to figure out the x coordinate.
Yeah, sure.
But
so I do want to. You know what? Like I want to see it.
Yeah.
I want to see it. Yeah. Otherwise, it's otherwise it doesn't exist. You know. Sort of.
Yeah. I'm realizing that I really gave us a difficult task.
Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Come on, Steve. All right, we're gonna give it a try. If we fail, then we fail. Oh, unpassable. Okay. The date time is unpassable. That's rude.
Oh yeah. Instead of do datetime from ISO, just do new date row 0.
Yeah, let's give it a try. Yeah, it's like a fancy format, right? So you see the power of seeing, you know? Power of seeing.
You're right. All right, nice. Now we got good minutes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
okay,
look at
but we
that.
still
Look
have
at like that data is fascinating, right?
right, and temperature is really wait, what is
Count,
temperature?
yeah. Number of
Counts.
clicks.
Yes, at the different times, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
per
know
minute.
what we could do just for
Yeah.
fun is we could
Yeah.
just take the data of clicks per minute and give it to ChatGPT and say like, here's JSON of clicks per minute, make me a chart.
Yes. Yes. Oh wait, can I? Okay, I can't just copy this. I'm just gonna do like this, right? Copy that. Come on, ChatGPT. If not, I'll get Claude ready. All right. Whoa, is ChatGPT down? Did you see that?
Let me check.
Oh no, we're back up. We're back up.
All right.
Wait, turn this into what?
A graph.
A graph, or represent visually, please. Do you do this when you type in? Do you
I do not
that?
do that, but that's a good idea. But well, anyways, it's gonna think it's a temperature related thing, which it's not. But whatever, it's fine.
Come on. All right. Good evening, Lou. All right. Please turn this into a graph. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that turned it into code for me. Claude.
That's awesome.
All right, let's see. Analyzing. Who's gonna win? Claude is so much quicker. Right, here's a table. Oh, they cannot do it. They cannot do a graph. Oh, look at that! All right.
ChatGPT wins.
Yep. Please make it cumulative. I want.
Oh, you know we could do,
go up.
We could like almost do is or so we can make an API endpoint that returns this data as JSON from a URL. So we can get a dynamic endpoint. Oh, nice. This cumulative graph is great.
That's nice. Okay, but
oh, and you have to give it the starting value again.
Yes. Okay. Right. So this wait. So, but this is like clicks in each minute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But that's fine. This is like clicks since count 2, right? Okay, you know what? If we're out of time, I am like gonna do this. I'm gonna do this tonight. What I'm gonna do.
All right.
I'm gonna get the tube and then the train home, and I'm gonna do this tonight, and it better be 200,000 by the time I get home. It better be.
All right.
And like
all right.
this has been really fun. This is like anxiety coding, but like fun at the same time. You know when someone's over your shoulder, but it's like it doesn't matter so much. Anyway.
Yeah, I feel like
I don't know
the problem with these live streams or like user interviews, like whenever I'm helping someone with Val Town, I can't help the vibes that it's a coding interview, because like that's usually
right. I see what you mean. No, do you know what? Like this was actually like really freeing, you know?
Oh, okay.
Because I feel like the pressure was off because we're trying to be fast, you know? I like I think so much of the time, like, okay, I've never done an interview like for any job, right? I've just
okay, so then you don't have that
wiggled my way
preconceived
into
stress.
places. Right. I don't know, like I think it's fun. Like people, this is why I love like live demos, right? Like the future of coding meetups here and just like any over the shoulder demos is because it's almost fun to see someone fail sometimes, right? Like that's the joy of doing things live. Like you don't know what's going to happen. But like people are rooting for you. but they will enjoy watching you fail as well, you know. But it's all for fun and games.
Yeah, I guess like improv. It's like nobody likes to watch
Right,
recorded improv. Yeah, there's some magic to it.
right. Yeah,
And,
yeah.
and there's a real humanness to it. Like I feel like whenever I
Uh-huh.
watched people that I really respect code for the first time, it's like, oh my God, like you do that? Like even I know a better way to do that.
Right. No, absolutely. But like, I feel like I have like different modes for coding. You know, like if I'm doing something for fun, it's very different to if I'm like doing something experimental to if I'm actually trying to fix a bug or like ship some production code. I feel like it's like different characters, you know? It sounds crazy, but that's how I think about it. Um, so like obviously, you know, we're here to have some fun, and I've learned things, right? So I feel like to learn things, you have to have some fun. So mission accomplished, right? We made counter 2. We upgraded with only a tiny bit of downtime, like 30 seconds, right?
Well, and it depends how you count downtime. Like there was no point at which you returned an error. You were always returning a
Uh-huh.
number. There was a
Yeah,
point in time where the number was a little
it was
small.
wrong by about 170,000, but you know,
What's
in a few months
170,000 between friends?
exactly. Exactly. Um, moral of the story, uh, have fun, uh, use ChatGPT. No, that can't be the moral of the story. I Steve, what's the moral of the story? We need a moral. What's the moral?
The moral story is have fun, do
All
some
right,
coding.
yeah. Have fun, do some coding. Doing things live is fun too, you know. And okay, sorry, do you have to go? Yeah, I do have to go in a sec, but
All
um,
right.
uh, it is funny, like because a lot of people like see the like finished product behind my work, right? They see like the demos that I'm like doing where I know what's going to work and what's not going to work, right? And
Mm-hmm.
like I think because people don't necessarily know me in real life, they don't know that I'm like a complete mess, right? Right, like when it actually comes to like making this, or maybe they do, maybe, you know what, they probably do, but like um you know, like even just like posting up like photos or finished projects or whatever, like that's the real process of making it is so messy, and you know, like learning is messy. So like you say, have some fun. That's my takeaway.
I love it. Well, thank you, Lou, for coming on. This has been so fun. I really appreciate it, and I did have a lot of fun.
I'm glad. Yeah, this was amazing. Thank you. I'm gonna use SQLite from now on. No more blobs.
Woo! That's exciting. Yeah, I definitely have done most of my stuff in SQLite now that we have it, and I like I'm familiar with it. So that's great. And that was the same with I think in a lot of these shows, I've been like converting people
Mhm.
from Blob to SQLite one live stream at a time.
Yes, yes, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. In fact, like the SQLite was probably the bit that went the best, actually. You know,
Mm, yeah,
it was more like the easier stuff that went wrong. The SQLite was
yeah, like
great.
yeah. Codium is really good at writing SQLite.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cool. Well, thanks again, and we'll have to do it again. See ya.
Thank you. Bye.